In this problem, a concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged image of an object placed 10 centimeter from it. Calculate radius of curvature of the image. First of all, we see that it is given the 3 times enlarged image. It means the size of the image is 3 times the size of the object. ऑब्जेक्ट का वो 3 गुना ऊंचा इमेज बनाता है. Now we know that concave mirror forms 2 types of enlarged images. One type is real and inverted, and second type is virtual and erect. So we will solve this question taking both conditions into consider. First of all, we suppose that m equal to plus 3, means object is means magnification is given 3, sign is not given, but we see that for both conditions, real, inverted, virtual and erect, concave mirror can form enlarged images. Enlarge 3 times image, where 3 is the how many times image is with respect to the object. This numerical value gives it, and the sign gives the nature of the image. Here the nature of the image is virtual and erect. We have considered first case. So v by u minus v by u, m equal to minus v by u equal to 3, that is v equal to minus 3u. Then we see that here radius of curvature is asked. Radius of curvature can be calculated by using the formula r equal to 2 into f. Radius of curvature is double of the focal length. So first we will try to find out the f. 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. 1 by v equal to minus 3u, means minus 3, or u is given 10 centimeter from it. U here given, u equal to minus 10 centimeter, or object is always kept to the left of the mirror. Minus 3 into minus 10 plus u, 1 by minus 10 equal to 1 by f. On solving it, a plus and minus will become ultimately minus here. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 1 by 30 LCM, 1 minus 3, that equal to 1 by f. So we get 1 by f equal to minus 2 by 30, that is minus 1 by 15. F equal to minus 15 centimeter. So by using v equal to minus 3u and mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, we will find out the focal length. 1 by v minus 3u, v equal to minus 3u, so here will be minus 3 into u is given minus 10, that is equal to 30 centimeter. Again here we have taken u, value of u negative, because object is always placed to the left of the mirror. And putting this value, 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by f, that is equal to 30, 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 30, that is equal to minus 1 by 15. So focal length f equal to minus 15 centimeter for this case, and radius of curvature r equal to 2 into minus 15, that is equal to minus 30 centimeter. This is radius of curvature. In this question, second case, m equal to minus 3, it is minus v by u equal to minus 3, means image can be real and inverted or virtual and enlarged. For virtual and enlarged, we have solved in the back question in the last question we have taken virtual unit. Here v equal to 3u 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, that is equal to 1 by v 1 by 3u means 1 by minus 30, or then plus 1 by minus 10 as it is given value of u, 30 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 30, that is equal to minus 1 by 7.5. So focal length f equal to minus 7.5 centimeter, that is radius of curvature r equal to 2 into minus 7.5, that is equal to minus 15 centimeter. That's all to the question. How far should an object be placed on the principal axis before a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter to form a real image of 1 by 5 of the object? इस रियल इमेज का जो साइज है वो ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज में 5 से डिवाइड करने पर आता है, इस 1 by 5 of object. What are given in this question and what is asked? Given focal length f, concave mirror minus 20 centimeter. 1 by 5 of object होना चाहिए, रियल इमेज होना चाहिए. तो रियल इमेज मीन्स m equal to minus hi by ho, m equal to hi by ho, that is hi means रियल इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनाएगा तो hi नेगेटिव विल बी नेगेटिव, माइनस 1 by 5 ऑफ टाइम्स ho मीन्स ho के ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज का 1 by 5 टाइम्स है बाई ho will cancel out, that is m equal to minus 1 by 5. Then we write value of m also equal to v by u, that is v by u equal to minus v by equal to minus 1 by 5, minus minus cancelled out, u equal to 5v. Now using mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, that is u equal to 5v, means 5v equal to means 1 by v plus 1 by 5v equal to minus 1 by 20. By taking LCM, 5v 1 plus 5, that is equal to minus 1 by 20, that implies that 5v equal to minus 120, and that implies that v equal to minus 24 centimeter. That implies that u equal to 5v, u equal to minus 24 into 5, that is equal to minus 120 centimeter. The corresponding ray diagram will be in this case the size of image is smaller than the size of the object and image is real and inverted. This happens as we have seen before. This happens when object is put beyond c to infinity. And image is formed between c and f, is smaller in size. This is object height and this is image minus h naught by 5. Since image is downward, therefore its distance will be taken as negative. That is the solution. That solution answer is minus 120 centimeter. An object is placed at 30 centimeter from pole of concave mirror. 3 times enlarged image is formed find focal length. Now we are given here u equal to minus 30 centimeter, as we know that object is put always left to the mirror. 3 times enlarged image is formed. So here 3 times enlarged image, enlarged real image is formed. 3 times enlarged real image is formed. It means m equal to minus 3. Sine of m gives virtual erect or real inverted. For real and inverted, sine of m is negative magnification, and for virtual and erect, sine of m is positive. Here it is given already. Enlarged image is formed. Enlarged real image is formed. So we know that m equal to minus v by u, that is equal to minus v by u minus 30, that is equal to minus plus v by 30, and v equal to 30 into m minus 3, that is minus 90 centimeter. We have to find out the value of v here. Value of u was already given. Now we have to find out the focal length. By Miller formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 90 plus 1 by u plus minus 1 by 30 plus minus minus 1 by 90 minus 1 by 30 1 by f, that is equal to 90 minus 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 4 by 90, that is equal to 4 से divide कर देंगे, we will divide 90 by 4 minus 1 by 22.5. So focal length f equal to minus 22.5 centimeter. Corresponding ray diagram. We know that when we put an object between f and c, we get enlarged real and inverted image. Ray diagram. And image is formed beyond c. Beyond c means center of curvature से दूर image form होगा, c and infinity के बीच में. Enlarged image it is given 3 times. Suppose it is HO, which is minus 3 times HO. And distance, this was minus 90 is 0 minus 90 centimeter. The distance. It was given minus 30 centimeter. What is focus? Focus has come to minus 22.5 centimeter. That's all about this question.